अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा सब्जेक्ट है HRM 6 to 7 ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट। रियल क्विज़ के स्क्रीनशॉट्स, मिड टर्म का सिलेबस कवर करेंगे और आज हमारे पास MCQs और सब्जेक्टिव दोनों मिला के ऑलमोस्ट 27 क्वेश्चंस हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन, द सेंसेस विच आर मोर कॉमनली यूज्ड टू डिफाइन थिंग्स आर विजन, ऑडिटरी एंड टच। Question 2. Developing the ability to live as member of the society or a group and contribute to it relates to which of the following? Social development, ये इसका आंसर है। The positive pole of extraversion includes all of the following except logical. Next question. Impersonal communications occurs when we treat people as object. Locke, Rousseau, and John Stott all mentioned liberty and dash as essential ingredients of good governance. Autonomy, इसका आंसर है autonomy. Which of the following is excluded from the threads of corporate excellence? Top management leadership style. Next question. Which period or century is labeled as the century of democracy? यह है 20th century. Which of the following countries has mean years of schooling less than 3 years? India, Pakistan and Bangladesh mean all of the given options. Human Development Index HDI is a comparative measure. The degree of freedom in World Freedom Reports is measured on a scale of 1 to 7. All of the following are considered by Freedom House for their reports except economic liberties. Work teams are dash made up of interdependent individuals who are responsible for attainment of a goal. Answer है formal groups. The ability to aware of what you are feeling is referred as self-awareness. Theory, why managers see employees as motivated to work. Why theory, motivated to work. A worker who schedules her own work and decides how to approach her job has a feeling of autonomy. Generally, the most effective behavior, human relations and performance come from adult ego state. Adult ego state. The development of a new theory is knowledge. HRD strives to develop good dash for a society, good individuals for a society. The element of motivation in which an internal state that makes certain outcomes attractive is referred as a need. Which of the following is not the disadvantage of group discussion? Group decision making. Increase acceptance of solutions. HDI, Human Development Index dash is considered to represent low development, below 0.5. इधर लगेगा 0.5. Which one of the following transactions occur when the words seems to be coming from one ego state, but in reality they are coming from some other ego state? ये है अल्टीरियर, इसको देख लीजिए, ये अल्टीरियर है या जो भी, आई थिंक मुझे तो अल्टीरियर ही नज़र आ रहा है। मज़ीद जिनका ये सब्जेक्ट है वो बेहतर जानते होंगे। एंड योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 23, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव फ्रॉम विच पीपल टेंड टू बिहेव व्हेन द चाइल्ड ईगो स्टेट इज़ इन कंट्रोल? नेचुरल चाइल्ड यानी स्पॉन्टानियस, प्लेफुल, और अडॉप्टेड चाइल्ड कंप्लाइंट और रेबिलियस। What is meant by open book management and why organizations use it? Open book management means sharing financial and performance information with employees. Organizations use it to increase transparency, involvement, trust and performance. Next question. Gross national happiness is attempted to define quality of life. What are the foundations of GNH? Sustainable and equitable socio-economic development, environmental conservation, preservation of culture and good governance. ये 4 चीज़ें हैं जी। The concept of trust is based on certain dimensions. Briefly discuss these dimensions: integrity, competence, consistency, loyalty, and openness. What could be the possible impact of malnourishment on economic development? Also identify the link of good nutrition with GDP. Malnourishment reduces productivity, increases healthcare cost, lower cognitive ability, and decreases income levels. Good nutrition improves health, productivity, work efficiency, and increases overall GDP growth. ये हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन था। बहुत शुक्रिया।